So here we are at the ACCSP main website, accsp.org, and you're going to click on Data Center and CEFAS, and then CEFAS Applications, and go ahead and enter your login information and select CEFAS Electronic Trip Reports. And this time, instead of the TFL Crabs, we're going to go to TFL Charter because we want to add a charter trip report. So you'll notice that I've already activated favorites for this license. And if you're curious about how to set up favorites, there is a previous video that we created on how to do so. But we're going to select Trip Reports and create new trip report right here at the top. And you'll see that all of these fields are mostly filled in. And with the charter trip reports, you can add the start date and the end date using this calendar icon again. We'll say May 7th. It auto-populates both of those fields because most likely you were out for just one day. The number of crew is at least one. Let's say there was 2 that day and you had 6 anglers on the boat. And then here you have the waters fished and the gear again. We have hook and line, so that's for rod and reel fishing. And the gear quantity is how many lines did you have in the water. Let's say 18. And you were fishing for 4 hours. So this next section here we have some default species. These are both striped bass, and one of them says kept disposition unknown and the other is released alive. So most chartermen are keeping the number of fish on record, but they're not all keeping the poundage. So at least you have to put in the number. So let's say that we kept 5 striped bass and we weighed them and it was a total of 60 pounds worth of fish. If you don't put anything in this reported quantity, it won't let you save it. So at least put a 0 in there if you didn't weigh them. And for released alive, a lot of times you'll know that you released 3 alive, but you don't know what the poundage is, so we'll just put a 0. So it's not very much information. It's pretty straightforward, and you just want to make sure that each one of these fields has something in it and that it's correct. And scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the Save and Complete button. And it takes you to that I certify that this information is true page. And you want to say yes, it is true. And then you can review what you entered here. If you'd like to edit it, you can click this button or say finish when you're done. You can also print this page for your records. So when you say finish, it takes you back to that main trip report screen that we're used to now. And you can see the month of May, and May 7th has that charter trip listed there. You can edit it using this button, and you can add another trip using the Create New Trip Report button.